Hi, my name is Rahul. I am 26 years old. I am an ordinary guy who started from the scratch and built a life he could only dream of the before. If you think that a success comes by itself, then you are mistaken. But if you believe that you can change your life, then listen carefully. My story is proof that anything is possible. I was born and raised in Deira, a district of the Dubai, in a simple family. My father is a guide and with the small businesses. My mother is a housewife, so we never had an abundance of the money, but we lived together and always supported each other. I have a brother and a sister, and like many, I grew up thinking that my life would be the same as my parents. As a child, I wanted to follow in my father's footsteps and become a tour guide. It seemed to me that this was the only real way, but when I turned 19, I started to wonder, is this my dream? I wanted more, and that's when I first learned about the trading. The beginning was difficult. I studied everything by myself, without mentors, without advisors. I was losing money, making mistakes, but I kept going forward. Why? Because I saw the goal. I understand that these were temporary difficulties that would lead to the great opportunities. After several years of the hard work, I was able to achieve a stable income. At first, it was a couple $1,000s, then $10,000, then $20,000 per month. I traded on the different platforms, improved my strategies, and built my social network. People started noticing my success. There were offers of the corporation, and I understand this is just the beginning. Today, I earn over $800,000 a month. My experience, mistakes, and knowledge helped me build the career I dreamed of. I work with the largest platform, and most importantly, I help others. I know what is it likes to start from scratch, taking the first step and make mistakes. And I want you to understand that all this is possible. The main thing is not to give up. And now let's make a small room tour of my apartment and workplace. My journey started small, just as yours can start today. If you want to know how I want this way and how you can change your life too, click on the link in the description. I will help you to take the first step towards success. All that is needed to your desire. The rest is a matter of time.